Hello there, my name is Philip Cheetah and I am a fine artist based in Swansea. My practice is mainly installation art and large-scale drawings, and in the last couple of years I've started to introduce sculpture. My first artist in residence role was at the University of Wales Trinity St David, and I started this role shortly after graduating. The role of an artist in residence is an opportunity for you to work creatively outside of your normal comfort zone. This normally means you will be working within another organisation. As an artist, it will most likely be a museum, a gallery, or in my case, a university. The role of an artist in residence often tends to be an opportunity to work on your own portfolio. It is also a chance to learn new skills and work with new people within a gallery environment, and often it is a chance to work towards a show at the end of your residency. So the first residency I had involved working in two different departments within the university. This was working with the printmaking department and the fine art department. In both cases, I got to learn new skills and I got to work with tutors and with technicians. As I was working with first, second and third year students during this residency, no 2 days were the same. Each day, I talked through with students what they wanted to achieve and use problem solving and practical skills to help them create the work that they wanted. Being a recent graduate can sometimes make it challenging finding jobs within the art world, so I definitely recommend a residency like this one. During any residency role, it's important to make the most of your time there, to make connections with other artists and to make the most of the facilities by learning new skills.